Can a mitre saw at under 40 quid really be any good? In this review we're going to look at the Titan TTU806 ACC Mitre Saw Stand. There are 4 legs released by push-button clips. Because of its weight at 150 kilograms, it's a little bit cumbersome. Also, folding up the legs needs to be done in the correct order. The stand can be extended by releasing these 2 yellow bolts and provides an overall length of 1.98 meters. The height can be adjusted and raised to provide a level cutting surface. One leg can be adjusted for stability. There is a 2-year guarantee. Mount the saw on the stand and then screw in using a bolt, washer, spring washer and nut. There are 3 different sizes of bolts provided. Cutting provides a nice stable platform. I think the weight helps make it feel solid. Overall it does the job for me, as I only use it on site. However, if this was being lugged around between sites, then I may go for something lighter. Thanks for watching. I hope you find the review useful. Remember to like the video. If you would like to see more reviews as they're posted, then please subscribe. If you have any comments, then please post below. Find out more by going to woozle.blog.